Hey gang, welcome back to Opaw's Diecast Restoration. Today, I'm doing one of the cars I just recently received from Big Charlie's model shop giveaway. I'll leave a link below. But before we get started, if you like my videos, I would greatly appreciate you subscribing. Anyway, what we have here is the Hubley or Hubley number 401 Lincoln Continental from 1960. Not much to these cars, but it'll be a great add to my collection. We get the wheels off and we dip her in the stripper. Axles and tires were still in great condition, just a little rust. Oop. Hold on to it, dummy. Clean up the axles a little bit. All it really needed. Tires were a little dirty. Scrub them up. Like I said, the tires and the axles were in real good condition, so no disassembly required. And they cleaned up really well. Give them a little coat of the tire wash. Kind of a long-winded procedure to make you watch, but recently I've got some criticism on not showing the entire procedure. So, for those of you that actually missed watching me do the entire procedure, here you go. I'll set these off then to dry, and then get some lube or something to protect the metal. Here we are right out of the stripper and the buffing wheel using my Scotch-Brite. Other than a little oxidation on the roof, this casting was in really super fine condition. And since it was pulled out of Charlie's secret stash, I figure he took great care of it too. Get it in our mineral spirits bath. Here we are getting our primer on it. Here's our first coat of icy blue. I know I didn't go back to the original blue, but it's in my collection and I don't care. My grandsons want to change the color later. That'll be their restoration. Here we are getting our wheels and tires back on. Using my needle nose vice grips to gently squeeze the tip back. A really good roller. Here's where we started. Fresh from Big Charlie's collection, secret stash. Play worn, chipped up paint. $19.60. And here's what we ended up with. I put in some details, put the original detail back in, painted the headlights an off-white color. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. For now, this is Opaw and the Hubley Lincoln Continental saying goodbye.